Hello, Surronster here outside Bike Craze in Anaheim, California, and in this video I will teach you how to unlock the full power potential of your Talaria Sting.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one, I don't.
So right out of the box, the Talaria Sting comes with a governor. That means the top speed and the power are artificially limited. First, I'm going to show you the power that you get right out of the box before unlocking the bike. Then I'll walk you through how to unlock it and show you the full power potential after. Alright, this Talaria is right out of the box. It's got 0 miles on it. We only had time to charge the battery to 50%, which is not ideal for this test. So this is sport mode with full throttle. Look how slow this is. This is the governor I was talking about. Full throttle in sport mode. So this is as fast as the bike goes out of the box without unlocking it, which is why I made this video, because anyone who buys this bike is going to want to unlock it. I think the most dangerous thing about this bike right now is falling asleep on it. The bike says I'm going 40 kilometers an hour. Let's unlock this. I'm bored. So that was the demo ride with the bike right out of the box. It was super slow and boring, so let's go ahead and unlock it and get that full power potential. Step 1, turn the bike on. Step 2, hold the start button for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you hit the left brake 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Press the start button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if that made a difference. Whoa! You see how that wheel just picks up? Okay, totally different bike. Whoa. Yeah, okay, we're out. All right, full throttle. Let's see what we get. Now remember, this is 50% on the battery, and we're actually at 47 now. We're going 68, 70 kilometers an hour. 72. Good cruising speed. This is exactly what you would expect from an unlocked Talaria Sting or Surron X Black Edition. About 40-45 miles an hour, maybe more if you're going downhill on a full charge. So there you go. That is how you unlock the full power potential out of your 2022 Talaria Sting. Thank you so much, Bike Craze, for letting me use this bike and for teaching me how to do this. Word around town is there might be a way to program the gearbox on this bike to either prioritize top speed or torque. I think that's super cool. So the moment I know how to do that, you know I'll make a video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.